Hello friends. Today I tell about new trends in packaging. We talk about regarding new trend of foods. So I talk to about new trends in packaging. What is the packaging and what is the new trends in packaging? Safe and attractive packaging today is as important as the content of the pack, along with the advance in the field of food processing. New convenient methods of packaging are available which meet all the criteria of a package, namely to contain, preserve, protect, present, and dispense and the product while maintaining quality and being easy to transport and store. The consumer today is looking for an elegant pack which is light in weight, unbreakable, easy to store or transfer, contain from, maintain freshness and has a good shelf life. The desirable attributes of the packages are: it should be attractive, it should be easy to open and close without requiring an additional opener, it should have tamper proof seal, it should be easy to dispense, instruction for use should be clearly spelled out, and and warning ingredients and preservatives, if any, should be clearly mentioned. Nutritive value of the content should be listed with the number of serving and serving size. Percentage recommended dietary allowances provided by a serving as a desirable features, and the package should be recyclable. The package should be convenient to carry. What is aesthetic packaging? What is aesthetic packaging? Aesthetic packaging, this is the most popular form of packaging used today. In this process, the food to be packed is sterilized and then packed in a sterile container. Such packages can be stored without refrigeration for 1 to 3 months. This method is superior to canning because of the following reason. Natural flavor and nutrients are better retained as heat treatment time is much lesser. Cost of the container, example foil lined cartons, plastic cups and plastic bags, is less. Weight of the pack is also less. It is cheaper than canning. Convenience is in the storage and opening the pack. The food to be packaged is subjected to rapid heating in a heat exchanger. Fluid products are pumped continuously through heat exchangers so that the desired temperature is reached very quickly. The liquid food is held at temperature recommended for commercial sterilization for prescribed time and controlled rapidly. It is immediately filled into sterile container in an aseptic filling zone. The food are sold in modern, flexible and simmerized packaging made of plastic, paperboard and aluminum foil. Milk and fruit juices packaged by the technology are available in Tetra Pak container, which have an ambient shelf life of 3 months. Once opened, the pack must be refrigerated and used within 5 days. The most recent additions are homogeneous and practical, containing desserts, several brands of soups, sauces, and ready meals containing meat and vegetable. If if aesthetic conditions are not mentioned, the major potential hazard for acidic foods is spoilage by yeast and mold, and for low acid foods, Clostridium botulinum could grow, causing botulism, food poisoning. And now we talk about modified atmosphere packaging. What is the modified atmosphere packaging? Modified As atmosphere packaging is defined as the replacement of air impact by a mixture of different gases such as oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide whose proportion is fixed when introduced, but no further measures are taken to control the percentage during storage. Originally known as controlled atmosphere packaging, it is used to extend the shelf life of fresh food by 2 to 3 times. In this method, atmosphere within food packages is replaced by a gas or a specific mixture of gases to inhibit the growth of harmful microorganisms. Mixture of purified carbon dioxide, nitrogen and oxygen are used to extend the length of refrigerated storage time. The percentage of various gases depend on the food being preserved. Carbon dioxide inhibits the growth of pathogenic bacteria if stored at temperatures below 8 degrees centigrade. It is used for bakery product as it prevents the product from drying up and spoilage by mold. Nitrogen gas is used in 100% strength in packages containing dairy product. Oxygen is used to prevent growth of anaerobic bacteria because of increased consumer demand for fresh and chilled convenience foods with fewer preservatives. Has been significant increases in the range of product packaged in modified atmosphere. These include raw and cooked foods such as red meat, fish, poultry, bacon, cheese, bakery products, fresh pasta, potatoes, crisps, tea, and coffee. This is the modified atmospheric packaging. The advantage of MAPR is enhanced shelf life, economic losses are minimized, chemical preservatives need not to be added or are used in small amount. Improved presentation, customer has a clear view of product, high quality product is available. The further development in MAPR is development of smart films which have the ability to absorb or emit gases and vapors. Combination of other preservation method along with MAP and designing retail pack which are resealable and microwave proof. Use of indicators which change color to indicate if packages has been opened or damages. Now we talk about edible films. What is edible films? Food material need to be protected from loss of volatile flavor and reaction with other food ingredients, moisture and oxygen when they are stored in intimate mixtures. Edible films form a protective package or coating around the food particles or pieces. It forms a primary package or part of the food itself. The film could be in the form of a thin layer of maize, protein, zinc, starch, gelatin, or gums arabic, which is flavored, or in the form of confectionery glaze used on dessert or coating nuts with monoglyceride derivatives to prevent oxidative rancidity. Edible films have a wide variety of applications. The films may be cast into the small packets which can hold ingredients and which dissolve on addition of water to release the ingredients. Edible films require an outer wrapper to protect it from contamination. In conclusion, this chapter has highlighted live food, healthy food, natural food, organic food, and food packaging. The food processing industry is growing at a rapid pace to provide meal to the millions in a variety of packages available off the shelf. With food product being available all year round because of innovative processing and packaging techniques, the health conscious consumer is offered an array of health food, organic foods, natural food, or live food. These foods are claimed to have curative properties and special health benefits. Most of these are natural, with minimum processing and use of pesticides or chemical additives. The consumer does not mind paying an additional price for the benefits it claims to offer. However, the educated consumer should be able to select cost effective foods, as these special food do not have added nutritive value but reduce contamination. By selecting a meal wisely and ensuring variety in selection, a balanced, wholesome meal can be planned without spending extra on organic or natural food purchased from select stores. In the packaging industry, there has been a revolution. It is now possible to store perishable such as whole milk at room temperature safely for a month. By modifying the atmosphere inside the food packages, it is possible to extend the shelf life 2 to 3 times. Edible films are extensively being used to retain flavor, moisture, and crispness in ready to eat foods. If you like my video, don't forget share and comments and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. I will meet you in next video. So thank you so much.